Greetings. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day, as I am. Stay up, stay positive, stay vigilant, stay engaged, stay focused. Now, on the planting tip. Most of my plants do wonderful, and I have a plant that's giving me a problem. It's a Chinese money plant. It was doing really well, and then all of a sudden, it's not. It's gotten very leggy, so I'm going to show you my process. I'm going to cut it down, repot the little tiny pups, and put the rest in water to root, and then restart it. So here's the plant, looking kind of droopy, as you can see. And this is the stem that's just long and stalky with the plant at the top. So from here, the plant may look healthy, but you see how this should be standing more upright. So I know it's not doing well. So and then I have these long stems. So I'm gonna take my little trusty scissors and I'm gonna clip it like so. So here's one piece. And I'm gonna put this in water and root. And then look, I have this tied, so let me untie this. It's tied in multiple places. You know, plants that get tall, sometimes you have to stake them. And I use these little twist ties to stake them. And they could be a pain in the butt to untie them. But here we go. Look how many I had on here. So when I take this stick, so you see this plant is just leggy. So I'm gonna cut it all the way down to here. I'm gonna cut this part to about here. Oh, look, these dead. Now I have two stems that I'm gonna put in water in a vase and root. But then if you look closely, I still have other pieces, but this is too much for this pot. This pot is too big for those tiny little pieces. So I'm hoping I can carefully dig them up and repot them in a smaller pot. So let's see. Yep, here we go. This is two of them so far. You see, I'm just making a little hole and tucking it in, just like that. Let's see what can I do with the rest of this. This is a big root ball, but I don't need all of this. But I got it. See that? See? I'll stick it right in the dirt. That's 3. Then we have this. I'm going to separate this clump. As you can see, I'm going to rinse this off and I'm going to root this too. So that's 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3 from the original plant. A pot with some little ones. I think I have one more here I can take off of here if I can get it off with some roots. Here we go. There's one more. Oh, I broke it. They're very fragile. So that's it. I really just wanted to take the mystery out of repotting because some people think it's so difficult, but it's not. And if a plant isn't doing well, you know, you examine it and see if it's lack of water or lack of sun, or if maybe it's, you know, it needs a different home. Sometimes the home is too small. It's not tight enough. It depends on the plant. Look up the different properties and you'll see which ones like to be in a loosely bound or tightly bound pot. On that note, I'm going to go ahead and transplant another one.